Here we are at the courthouse steps of the crime of the century, a murder. Here comes the defense lawyer now, John A. Lawyer.
Friends call me Master Lawyer.
So, Mr. Lawyer, with the amount of overwhelming evidence against your client, how do you feel about the case?
I cannot break attorney-client privilege, but my client has expressed those exact same concerns.
You may now begin your opening statements.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I believe this is a real open and shut case. The evidence is staggering against Mr. Burderer, with multiple eyewitness accounts, cell phone and security video, and even a signed confession. Honestly, we shouldn't even be in court today. It's a waste of taxpayer time, money, and resources. Thank you.
Now, I don't know about Mr. Fancy Pants Harvard man here, but I, for one, do not pay taxes. Now, it may seem from the outside, inside, upside, all sides really, that this man may or may not have killed this man. Honestly, I do not believe he did.
The lawyers may now present their evidence. I believe you both have prepared a witness.
I would now like to present my witness. My witness graduates summa cum laude from Yale with an MD. He spends his free time reading to the blind. He does all of his work pro bono, and he's a community leader. My witness. So, tell us what happened the night of the murder.
Alleged murder, actually.
I'm sorry.
No, he's right.
Moving on. Please, doctor, continue.
I was biking home my normal route from work when I heard a loud scream over by the west end of the park. I look over and see a man standing over another beefy man who is stabbing the other. I ran over to help and saw his face clearly before he fled.
Could you identify this man?
Yes, he is sitting right there.
Well. First of all, I would like to call into question the character of this witness. Reading to blind people, why would they want it rubbed in their face that they cannot see?
I never thought about that.
Secondly, I would like to question this alleged doctor. If you saw a man dying on the ground, why would you not save them?
He had sustained several wounds to his head and neck. He bled out in seconds. There was nothing I could do. There was nothing I could do.
Why even go to medical school if you cannot save a man in seconds? Honestly, this lack of saving a life can be considered murder, and I think we should put the doctor on stand.
He's right. Oh, sorry.
Excellent point. I'm gonna have to revoke your medical license.
Your Honor, hundreds of thousands of children are waiting for me in the hospital. They will all die without my new groundbreaking medicine.
So be it. Now get out of my courtroom. Now the defense lawyer may bring in his witness.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Who even let this man get a law degree?
Not the state of Ohio, that's for sure.
I love that.
Your Honor, objection. It is illegal for this man to practice law.
If you haven't noticed, Prosecutor, the hands that hold the scales of justice are blindfolded. And while you may enjoy judging people on who they are, what their credentials are, and whether or not they're licensed to practice, I prefer to give everyone an equal opportunity to succeed. This is America, after all, isn't it?
Beautiful. Well put.
I would like to present my next evidence, the video footage and signed confession of the murderer.
A murderer? What are you gonna do? Stab me?
I guess so.
What? Ow!
as you can see here, it is very clear that he is the murderer. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, please just end this now.
Now, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, can you tell me, honestly, that the man in this video does not look like, say, and I am just spitballing here, the prosecutor's client?
I don't have a client.
Bring out the prosecutor's client.
What is actually going on here?
Now the lawyers may make their closing statements.
No.
Your Honor, I did not even show the signed confession.
Signed confessions do not hold up in the court of law.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I have eyewitness accounts, I have video footage, and I even have a signed confession, despite what this judge tells you. I mean, look at this. Look at it. Look at it.
That is it. I hold you in contempt. I'm sending you to a maximum security prison for your heinous crimes. Get out.
Well. We've gone through this jury me together, and I would like to teach you about a law concept technical. Can anyone in this room, can anyone prove that they themselves did not kill this man? Of course not. That is called reasonable doubt, and it is enough for a not guilty verdict. The defense rests.
The jury has unanimously, minus juror number 7, reached the verdict of not guilty on all charges, future and present, for Mr. Burderer.